Like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates.
Tech companies big and small look to embrace AI technology, and crypto is making big gains. Forbes AI Newsletter March 25. Subscribe to the Forbes AI Newsletter to stay up to date and get our AI-powered investment insights, latest news, and more delivered directly to your inbox every weekend. Key events that could impact your portfolio. It was like a month ago all but guaranteed that the Fed would raise rates by 0.25 percentage point at its March meeting. Some analysts even began to wonder if we would see a 0.5 percentage point hike as inflation remains stubbornly high. But after the collapse of Silicon Valley Bank and Signature Bank, that safe bet was suddenly more uncertain. Predictions fluctuated wildly in the days leading up to the announcement. Goldman Sachs and Moodys even forecast a complete pause in rate hikes this month. In the end, however, the original one followed, narrating a 0.25 percentage point hike in interest rates. And that made sense. The risk the Fed was taking, one deviation from the existing plan, is that it would have given the impression that it was much more concerned about the stability of the financial system than it cared to admit. So done during a pause in rate hikes to give struggling banks some breathing room, the reality could have been quite the opposite. For investors, the key takeaway wasn't the number, it was the comments. Chairman Jerome Powell hinted that they could be close to changing their tightening policy, which is a big departure from previous announcements and a potential welcome sign for investors. The futures market is even touting a full percentage point rate cut by the end of the year, although Powell said a cut is not currently on the agenda for this year. The AI race is really underway. From the moment Chat was released into the wild, it has been a non-stop stream of new products, features, and announcements across technology. The world's biggest tech giants are getting into the game, as are countless indie developers creating micro-products and plugins. It's the latest gold rush, and just like the original, there will be some big,